When you save a video into Dubb, it's going to take you to a page that looks just like this. This is the video creation page, the edit page. So you saved it into Dubb, it'll take you here. You can change the title right up here at the top. You can preview this by clicking the button all the way to the right. It'll open up in a new window. We talked about this earlier. This is your preset, your customized landing page, your branding, playlists that are going to play after the video you've created, and the buttons. Now the buttons down here, they can do a bunch of stuff. They can book a time, they can go to another website, they can download a document, they can you can put the email button below. A lot of stuff that you can do with your buttons. Just decide what's the most important, leave that to the left, and then go in order of left to right. Now, if you're trying to get video testimonials, this reply with video button is pretty great. So what you can do is send a video like this to one of your happy clients. Hey, Ina, this is Rob. Thanks so much for using Dubb. We appreciate your business. It would mean the world to us if we could get a video testimonial from you. All you have to do is click the reply with video button below. You don't have to download anything. Just allow camera and mic access, put your email in, and let me know. What have you enjoyed about Dubb so far? So whatever questions you normally ask your clients, you can ask them in the video. And instead of meeting in Zoom and having to have it edited, they can just send you this video back, and then you can put it right here in your playlist. And this has been the combo that's worked well over the years. Personal video for someone, followed by a 60 to 90-second video that you just made one time about what you do, and then followed by a testimonial. And that's really what it's all about.